Hello mga ka-hobby! It's been a while! Yes! And meron tayong package na na-receive from someone again and we will open it now. It's been a while since nung nag-open tayo ng PR package, no? So, this one is a book nook. Yes, we've got a new book nook. Gusto ko gamitin yung camera kong isa pero hindi ko pa makuha yung tamang ilaw niya. So, ito na lang muna sa TikTok yung gagamitin ko na camera pag open. So this is it's called Antique Book Collection Room. So yan siya. Actually, ito yung pinili ko kasi medyo mahilig talaga ako sa books. And gusto ko yung naglalagay ng sticker ng mga books. Ayan. So ayan siya, guys. So ito yung mga stickers niya ng books. Check natin yung laman. So we have another book nook na bubuuhin. And follow nyo yung isa kong account. Doon ko pinapost yung ating mga detailed video nitong mga nabubuo ko na book nook. So, thank you so much, Tiny Craft ko. I have to make sure. Uy, okay na nakalagay kung kanino. But I know, thank you so much, Tiny Craft, for sending this to me.